Why? Because the subatomic world applies very well this theory of minimum energy quantities. And this is how quantum physics was born. In other words, physics, knowledge of nature, and quantum, minimal quantities of the manifestation of matter. So, what does quantum physics do? Well, it studies those minimum quantities. And why the manifestation of matter? Because the smallest thing that was known until then was the atom. And when it is discovered that the atom is also made up of smaller particles, well, it is the game and the interaction of these particles what gives rise to the formation, the configuration of the atom. Therefore, they are the energetic quantities, so quantum physics, I repeat, is the study of the minimum quantities for the manifestation of the matter. And we will see how it behaves. What are the interactions of these particles like and why they completely revolutionized science and the minds of a lot of scientists? And by knowing a little more about this subatomic world, humanity begins to believe again, that not everything is written, and science itself is telling us there is something beyond, yes, consciousness. It has to do with the manifestation of reality, indeed. So, I invite you to, in order to glimpse a world beneath the atom. A world full of energetic interactions of particles so tiny they are almost impossible to look at. I thus invite for you to see how these laws that govern this quantum world, this subatomic world, they really also govern the world we see. The world on a human scale, the macroscopic world which because of its size, because of its dimension, does not fit into the quantum world, into the tiny world. Well, today we know that they were simple and mere approximations, but on such a small scale, these approximations become gigantic. However, the laws that govern the quantum world, they apply to everything macroscopic. But they are numbers that are so tiny that it makes no sense to apply it to this human scale. I manage to feel and believe that I actually live in a quantum world. To understand this world, to feel it, to immerse myself in it, in order to co-create in this material world, in this world that I observe and that one feel. I repeat 3 times, I create, and so, to all of you, I welcome you to this quantum world.